Melissa DeMaria here, coming to you from sunny and beautiful Tampa, Florida. I am so excited. I'm going to be in your market center really soon. Check the email below with all the information. I'm going to be in your market center and we're going to be talking about the 6 personal perspectives. The 6 personal perspectives, are the foundation of all of our training. When Gary Keller was teaching, this is the first thing that he would start with every day, every team meeting, every class. These are the tools that you need in order to build the life that you want to have, right? We're all about building a life by design. Yet there are things that people that are really successful do very consistently. And it is the 6 personal perspectives. So I'm excited to come and share it with you. I'm a 19-year, which is crazy, 19-year real estate agent, all with Keller Williams. I have taken this class so many times. It has changed my world. It has changed the way that I do business. I'm excited to be able to share it with you. If you have been around for a while, whether you've been with Keller Williams or not, I encourage you to step back into the classroom. Spend some time to work on your business, not just running frantic in it. Take the time to take a breath, right? Focus on the things that you want to have happen and what are the skill sets that you need to master in order to live the life that you want. If you have never taken this class, my goodness, please do not miss it. It is truly the foundation of building a successful life and achieving what you want to achieve. I'm excited to be in your market center. I'm excited to be in the classroom. It will be a great day. It will be a purposeful day. And I promise you, you will leave with an action plan and you will feel like it was time well spent. I'm excited to see you and make it a fantastic day.